Hello again and welcome. If you're in the market for a temporary heating solution that is fume free and can also be used for drying paint and plaster, our commercial infrared units could be perfect. Don't be fooled by its light and portable modular body. This heater packs a 1400 watt infrared element that is guaranteed to make working life more comfortable in all kinds of industrial spaces, offices and warehouses too. It works by transmitting high frequency heat waves into the air that warm objects and people rather than the atmosphere. This results in lower running costs as the heat doesn't escape through drafts. The thermal quartz heater is constructed from a high grade and heat resistant material, so it stands up to the rigours of site use with ease. You can choose between single or twin settings, both of which project heat up to 6 metres. What's more, the sturdy casters on the bottom make it easy to wheel the device forwards and backwards when needed. Elsewhere, the rear integrated cable tidy system simplifies stowing away the heater when not in use and avoids accidents in fast-paced commercial environments. It's also fitted with a safety cut-off switch that automatically turns both elements off if the unit is tilted or knocked. HSS thermal quartz heaters are available for both 240 volts and 110 volt power supplies and plug into standard power sockets, so it's as easy as flicking a switch to get started. Want to learn more about our commercial infrared heaters? Head over to hss.com today to find the best value, higher prices.